National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wright County, southeastern Sherburne County, until 9:30 a.m. At 8:58 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Annandale, or 12 miles west of Buffalo, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Buffalo around 9:05 a.m., Monticello around 9:10 a.m., Big Lake around 9:15 a.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Elk River. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National